News on COVID front, India continues to consolidate its fight to beat COVID-19 after registering a record recovery in COVID cases in the past 24 hours. And in yet another big development, India's Dr. Reddy's has signed pact with Russian company to supply 100 million doses of Russian vaccine Sputnik 5 in India after due permission. We have more.
Various calibrated and focused actions undertaken within the umbrella strategy of test, track and treat have enabled early identification of cases and led to a higher number of COVID-19 patients recovering and being discharged from the hospitals. India logged in the highest number of single-day recoveries in the last 24 hours. During the last 24 hours, 82,961 COVID patients were cured and discharged from home, facility isolation and hospitals. Maharashtra, with 19,423 recoveries, contributed to 23.41% of the new recoveries. Nearly 59% of the new recoveries came from these 5 states, including Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. 27 states and union territories are reporting recovery rate of more than 70%. With this, the overall recovery rate improved to 78.53%. The total recovered cases stands at 39,42,360. Currently, there are 9,95,933 active cases in the country. The gap between recovered and active cases have crossed 29 lakh. Recovered cases are nearly 4 times the number of the active cases. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu compose close to 60% of the active cases. 70% of the total active cases are found in 9 most affected states, union territories. Meanwhile, Ministry of Civil Aviation has allowed RT-PCR testing at the entry airport on a pilot basis to facilitate the transfer of international passengers. In another development, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath chaired a high-level meeting to review progress in efforts to fight against COVID-19 in the state.
तो केसेस जरूर निकल रहे ज़्यादा, टेस्टिंग हमारी अधिक हो रही है, 1,54,000 टेस्टिंग हमारी हो रही है प्रतिदिन. उसी हिसाब से हमारा रिकवरी रेट भी 76% या 77% जा रहा है और हमारा CFR घट भी रहा है. तो मैनेजमेंट हमारा पेशेंट्स के विषय में भी ज़्यादा उसको देखभाल कर रहे हैं, उसको नियमित करने जा रहे हैं और उसी तरह से जो होम आइसोलेशन वाले हैं और जो जल्दी रिकवरी करते हैं उनका भी हम लोग देखभाल करते हैं. इसी मैनेजमेंट के वजह से आज पूरे देश में भी और उत्तर प्रदेश में हमने काफ़ी उसको सीमित कर रखा है.
In another development, Russian Direct Investment Fund and Dr. Reddy's laboratories have agreed to cooperate on clinical trials and distribution of Sputnik 5 vaccine in India. The Russian Direct Investment Fund will supply 100 million doses of Sputnik 5 COVID-19 vaccine to Dr. Reddy's laboratories upon getting regulatory approval in India.
And you know, Russia and India have been strategic friends and strategic partners for a very long time. And we are also very impressed that India has absolutely unique vaccine production capability. India produces around 60% of all of the vaccines in the world, and we applaud efforts by government of India, by private entrepreneurs in India who have built this really strong leader in vaccine production. So we want to be great partner with India on vaccine production. We reached an agreement with Dr. Reddy for 100 million doses of our vaccine supplied to the Indian market, and we expect, of course, to produce much more in India, not just for India, but also for many other countries in the world. And we really see India as a major production hub of vaccines in the world. And our Sputnik V, we believe, is one of the best technology. We would like to produce it jointly with India, and our partnership with Dr. Reddy is very important for us.
Notably, Russia had named its first approved coronavirus vaccine Sputnik 5 for the foreign markets in August. It is a reference to the world's first satellite Sputnik. The vaccine is developed jointly by Gamaleya Research Institute and the Russian Defense Ministry. News Night Desk, DD India.